Good morning children. Today we will see with the last exercise of your book, that is 19.2. Find the curved surface and the whole surface area of a cylinder. Here you have to find two things. What? That is curved surface and whole surface. The values are given: radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. See how to find out. You know the formula of curved surface area, that is 2 pi rh, and whole surface 2 pi r bracket start r plus h. With this formula, how to find out? First, we have to find out the curved surface area. Curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Value of r is 7 into height is 24. Now cancel with the table of 7. 7 1 7, 7 1 7. Now 2 into 22 into 24, that is 2 into 22, that is 44, multiply 24. You multiply 44 with 24. Yes, you got 1056. What you are finding out? Surface area. Here you are finding out area, so it will be centimeter square. Now we have to find out whole surface area. The formula of whole surface area is 2 pi r bracket start r plus h bracket close. That 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into what is the value of r? That is 7. 7 plus r plus h. What is the value of h? That is 24. Cancel. 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja. What is left outside? 2 into 22. That is 44 into. You add 24 plus 7. How much? Yes, 31. Now multiply 44 into 31. Multiply it. Yes, how much you got? That is 1364. What is the unit? That is centimeter. What you have find out? Surface area. Area means it is square. Is it clear? Now see the second question. Diameter it is given 20 meter and height it is 21 meter. We have to change this diameter into radius. Radius we know that is diameter upon 2, that is 20 upon 2, that is 10 meter. What is the radius you got? The radius we got is 10 meter. Now we will find the curved surface area. What is the formula? 2 pi r h. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius you got, that is 10, into height you got 21. Cancel with the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7, yes, 3 is 21. Now you multiply it. 2 into 22, that is 44, into 3 into 10, that is 30. Then 44 into 30 you multiply. Yes, that how much you got? 1320. What is the unit? Meter square. Now we have to find the whole surface area. Whole surface area formula is 2 pi r bracket start r plus h. Then 2 into 22 upon 7 into the value of r. What is the value of r over here? Radius you got 10. Then bracket start 10 plus the value of h is 21. Is this step clear to everyone? Now 2 into 22, that is 44 into 10 upon 7. You write it as it is, then add it. 21 plus 10, that is 31. Now you multiply the number, that will be 440 multiply 31 into 7. Now multiply 440 with 31. If you multiply 440 with 31, you will get 13,640 divided by 7, which 7 you have to divide it. You divide it with the table of 7, it will be 1948.57 meter square. Is it clear? Third question is your homework. See the fourth question. Radius is 14 centimeter and height is 1 meter. This meter you have to change into centimeter. Meter, if you change into centimeter, it will be 100 centimeter, as we know, since 1 meter equal 100, centimeter. Is this clear? Now what to find out? We have to find out the curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area, the formula is 2 pi r h. The value now, 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 14, h is 100. Cancel the table of 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Multiply it, 2 into 2 4 into 2 into 100. 88 multiply 100, that is 8800, 8800. What is the unit? That is centimeter square. Now what to find out? Whole surface area. What is the formula of whole surface area? That is 2 pi r bracket start r plus h. That is 2 into the value of pi is, we know the value, 22 upon 7 into r is 14 centimeter. That is 14 plus height is 100. You cancel it, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. If you multiply, it will be 88 into 114. You multiply 88 into 114. Yes, how much you got? That is 10,032 unit is centimeter square. Is it clear? See the next question. Circumference of base of cylindrical tank is 167 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. Then find its curved surface area. We have to find the curved surface area. What two things given? Circumference of base of cylinder. Circumference of base of a cylinder. How much it is? 176 centimeter. Height, how much it is given? Height, it is given 30 centimeter. What to find out? Curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of what cylinder? What is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder? Yes, that is base of cylinder into height. Base of cylinder into height. What is the base of cylinder? That is 176 into height. How much it is? 30. That means 176 into 30. How much it will come? That will come 5280. What you have find out? Curved surface area. So its unit will be centimeter square.